Happy Core Day, everybody. Hi, I'm Susie, and I am going to lead us here in a 15-minute morning practice where we're going to really ignite our core and our power here. And so find a nice tall seat on your mat. You can sit on a blanket if you'd like, and let your hands come to rest on your knees. Relax your shoulders, back of the neck long. And we're going to breathe here with breath of fire. We're going to take about 10 rounds through the mouth and feel this sharp exhale, this pulling in and up of the belly and the diaphragm on the exhale, like you're panting like a dog. We're going to take about 10 rounds in and out through the mouth, and then we're going to sit for about a minute with bringing that in and out through the nose. So just enjoy your posture, really comfortable, and open your mouth. Take a deep inhale, and like a dog, you're panting out of the mouth. Take a deep inhale through the nose, and we'll bring that exhale through the nose, still with that panting feeling, but now directing it in and out through the nose. Breath of fire. Inhale. Keep going. Feel that jumping in and up of the diaphragm. First time doing it, just practice, have fun with it, have this feeling of really getting rid of stagnancy. Keep going, about 30 more seconds. Take a deep inhale, hold the breath in, brighten up from the inside out. Grateful to be here. Exhale out of your mouth and come on down to lie on your back. We're going to get into the core right away in this 15-minute morning class. Let's start out. Hug your knees into your chest. And then bring your hands down to your sides. Make sure you feel nice and solid in your spine, shoulders, and hips. And inhale, send that left leg long. Don't rest. And exhale, switch. Inhale, left leg long. Exhale, right leg long. If you're feeling like you are straining into your low back, bring your feet down, pop your hands under your hips, palms facing in, and that should create a little bit of stability for you. And just keep going here. Get into a rhythm with your breath. And notice where you're firing up your core already. Into those hip flexors, into the lower abdominals. Squeeze your glutes, flex your heels, and just really get in touch with this movement. Ignite your personal power. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feet down. Release the hands. Come on up and over. You can take this from your knees on plank, or you can come on up into a plank, and same move. We're going to be hugging our knees toward our belly here in your plank pose, and just alternate sides. Inhale and exhale. Hands are firmly pressing in, shoulder blades nice and wide, hips level with your shoulders. Smile on your face and just feel this fire starting in your gut. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop to your knees. Come on down. Hug your knees to your chest. This time you'll use your arms to help you. Right hand or hands come to the right leg, left leg goes up, inhale, and exhale, lower the heel toward the earth. Keep that right knee hugging it. Inhale up, and exhale down, same side. You're keeping the leg hovering and the heel flexed. If the knee starts to bend as you come up, you've come too far. Inhale up. Exhale down, and just keep going. Ten. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Left knee pulls in, right leg goes up right away. Inhale long, exhale down. Inhale and exhale. Move with precision, not with momentum. Really feel the muscles that are engaging. Smile. The more you enjoy what you're doing, the more benefit you'll see. That's just fact. Don't resist the workout, play with it, and just have fun raising your energy and igniting your fire. Keep going, feel that long leg moving, and cheer for yourself. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Both knees hug in. Come on up and over. Downward facing dog. Take a breath. Find strong arms, hands spread wide, wrists parallel to the front of your mat. Take a breath. And then feet are hip distance. We're going to be coming up into three-legged dog and rocking forward into a plank pose with a knee to nose feeling. So right foot reaches up, inhale, and exhale, rock forward to plank pose, knee to nose, maybe even curl a little like a cat pose. Inhale up, same side, right foot reaches, exhale, plank pose, curl and round, knee to nose. Inhale up, move with precision, not with momentum. Inhaling up, find length. Exhale forward, find strength. 10, 9, 8, 7. Take a break if you need to. Come back when you can. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Toes down, knees down. Sit back to rock pose. Roll your wrists. Take a breath. Second side, come on up. Downward dog. Toes together or hip distance, and left foot reaches. Inhale. Knee to nose, rock forward, plank pose, maybe a little cat curl. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Keep going. Move with that joy of being upside down. Move with joy of just becoming stronger. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Downward dog, knees down, sit back, take a few breaths in rock pose, open the heart, release the wrists. Feel your breath, feel your heart. And slowly come on up and into a plank position. You can hold in plank or come down to a forearm plank for a little extra oomph. Knees can come down either way. Slow, easy posture here, and slow, easy breath of fire. 10 rounds. Inhale. And exhale, breath of fire. Knees down, hips down, heart up, take a breath. Let it out. Very mindfully, come on back up either to plank pose or forearm plank pose. Hips up, knees up, 10 rounds, breath of fire. Knees down, hips down, heart up, breathe. Last round. Toes tuck, hips lift, knees lift. Inhale. Knees down, hips down. Take a breath, stretch your belly. Slowly press up and back, and we'll stretch into a shavasana, or into a puppy pose. Hands reach out, hips stay up, and chest and forehead down toward the earth. Stretch your belly. Long, slow breath. And then come on up. And we'll end right where we began. here in a seated, easy pose. Drop your eyes closed and bring your hands to your knees. Curl the fingers around and really engage into a long, slow breath for a moment. Sitting with this feeling of gratitude for igniting your fire. And pull your hands to your beautiful heart. And just be really pleased with yourself for taking these 15 minutes to strengthen and get some blood flowing. We'll end this short session with the sound of a single om. Let's just raise our voice, raise our vibration. Inhale. Om. Thank you for taking the time to take care of yourselves today. Namaste.